Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Freepik AI image generator. Let's jump right in. First, we search for Freepik AI image generator in our web browser. There, leading us to the website. We can either log in if we have an account or sign up. Now, onto the surface, we have the Freepik Picasso tool at our disposal. As we make adjustments to one image, the corresponding changes reflect in another. It's that seamless. With a plethora of options on the left toolbar, we can freely explore and add resources to our creations. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.